Let's begin building our brains with shape moves. This time we have a new rule. You're going to ignore the shape drawn on the card and only pay attention to its color. The color tells you the move to make. So this is what the colors mean. Blue means circle, okay? And then red means the triangle, and green means square, okay? So again, blue means circle, red, triangle, good, okay? And green means square. Okay, all right, now let's start. Remember, circle when you see a blue. Green. Good, okay. Good, okay. So what skills did you use to ignore the shape on the card and only pay attention to the color? Moses?
Self-talk, and I also had to use my head because it wasn't cooperating, so I had to use my head and not listen to it.
Good. Natalie?
Pretend the shape's not there.
Pretend the shape's not there, okay. Jaden?
Self-talk and remember the rules.
Good, okay. So you really had to use all your learning skills on this game.
Yeah.